welcome to Studio Hackz. Hope you're doing well out there. Today we're looking at Auto-Tune EFX and the basic features you will need and how to use it properly. We're going to use this song by the dude Jacob Campbell, so thanks Jacob for making a bop.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
If you need a quick starting spot, Auto-Tune offers a plethora of presets to get you going without any knowledge at all. But if you're going to be using Auto-Tune the right way, the first thing you want to do is set the input type. This is going to adjust how Auto-Tune reacts based on your vocal range. You can also set this for an instrument. Keep in mind different modes give different results, so try experimenting with this. The next section to look at are the key and scale selectors. This decides which notes Auto-Tune will correct to. Luckily, if you don't know what key you're in, there's lots of modern tools, including ones from Auto-Tune, to help you identify that. We'll go over those in some later videos. This main center area shows you what note is being played, orange indicating flat frequencies and turquoise indicating sharpness. The key roll at the bottom is doing the same thing, while also allowing you to control which notes are active and inactive.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
The retune speed adjusts how fast Auto-Tune corrects the note. This needs to be fine-tuned depending on genre, quality, and the artist performance.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
The humanize knob works on sustained notes by adjusting the amount of correction being done, allowing for more realistic, lifelike vibrato and control to the voice.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
Underneath here is effects, where you can have even more creative expression with features like pitch, time, doublers, and more. The XY pad on the right allows for dialing in the perfect sweet spot for these. Auto motion is a creative feature allowing you to apply sequencing effects to your vocals. Arpeggiate your vocals into swirling synth-like patterns. The patterns are controlled here, where you can adjust the pitch and the rate of the sequence.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up.
Latency is controlled here, as well as auto key, which we're going to discuss in a later video. Auto-Tune is a great utility for getting professional results while also being able to make creative decisions. If you want to make modern music with vocals, understanding how to use it will make your life better. Thanks for watching.
We wake up, we make love, then we don't speak it up. We make up, we break up, I guess I'm leaving up. Got me searching just for a reason, but the cycle it keep repeating. On and on, then on and I forget.